Why choose Generator Guys LLC? We're here to provide you with the best power solutions tailored to your needs and budget. As authorized dealers for all the top brands, we have the expertise to recommend the perfect generator for your home. With over 3,000 installations, we have earned the trust of our satisfied customers. Generator Guys LLC is licensed, bonded, and insured, ensuring your peace of mind and protection. Our experience and industry knowledge make us the experts you can rely on for all your power needs. We are passionate about what we do and bring that passion into every project, putting your home's power as our top priority. Our 5-star rating on Google speaks to our commitment to exceptional service and customer satisfaction. When you choose Generator Guys LLC, the owners will personally be involved from the initial quote to the final job, guaranteeing your satisfaction. Experience the Generator Guys LLC difference. Contact us today for reliable and personalized power solutions. Generator Guys LLC, your trusted partner in generator solutions.